Now see your wind back till there, we'll use the spanner here to hold the outside nut. And we can just turn this one here. That turns the piston. And she'll wind in. The piston all the way in. Now, the piston the whole way in. Just release her. Out she comes, and your piston's fully back. Next operation. Next operation now is to that's that piece of copper here. And we'll set the caliper back in place again. I'll just leave the phone and the camera in my hand here, and put the caliper back on again. Just make sure both brake pads are on and they're nice and free. And this is a two-hand job, so I'll just leave this in my hand.